Okay, this is the review for the GLG leaf rental. Look what happened to the ground, guys, because it's super heavy and super powerful, just like that. And this is all the trees that been chopped up so far. Still gonna keep cutting, but we only have this for a couple days, so minus just probably keep running them. So it was pretty huge. This is the wheel, but there you go. It's a big giant leap. Look at this, it's pretty wide. Can you imagine going all the way up to that tree? You're gonna cut all of those trees because it's right there by the house, so gonna chop them up. And so far we cut some of the tree. Look at those, guys, look at those. So far we actually knocked down some of the branches, so I'm just gonna get those out of the way. So we're just gonna keep cutting. So as I said, everybody, this is what happened to the driveway. Yep, anyway, that's too much tree to cut, guys, but there it is. But if you find this channel interesting, please like and share, comment below, and thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.